These are some of the extra word problems that we are going to solve. Why we should solve word problems a lot is because इस पे बहुत ज्यादा questions आते हैं और बहुत अलग-अलग word problems आते हैं. So the first one is, in a survey of 600 students in a school, 150 students were found to be taking tea and 225 students were found to be taking coffee. So if U is universal set of all students in a class, number in U is 600. Let A be the set of 150 students, sorry, set of students taking tea, I will say. Set of students taking tea. So number in A is 150. Let B be the set of students taking coffee. So number in B is 225. And number in A intersection B is 100. Find how many students were not taking any of the drink. You want to find out the number of students who are not taking any of the drink. That is, you want to find out number of students who are not even taking tea and they are not even taking coffee. And this is number by De Morgan's law. It is number in A union B bracket complement. So I'll first find out number in A union B. A union B is number in A plus number in B minus number in A intersection B. That is 150 plus 225 minus 100. Your total is 275. Okay. A union B is 275. Total people are 600. So how many do not take? Now see. Now number in A union B complement is number in universal set minus number in A union B. That will be 600 minus 275. You will get your answer. 325, right? 325 students are such that they are not even taking tea, not even taking coffee. We can also solve it using the Venn diagrams. लेकिन सिर्फ Venn diagram से solve करना 11th में allowed नहीं है, तो आपको formula से भी करना ही पड़ेगा. तो अगर मैंने बोला कि ये मेरा universal set है, number of students, this is 600. This is number in A is 150. Number in B is 225 and this is 100. This will be 50, this will be 125. If you add them, this is 50, 150, 150, 175 and 275. These are total 275. 600 minus 275, 325 will be the people who are not drinking anything. But solving only using the Venn diagram is not allowed to us. So we will always solve it using the formulas. In a group of students, 100 know Hindi, 50 know English, and 25 know both the languages. Okay, so I will say Let A be the number of students knowing Hindi and B is number of students knowing English, and A intersection B is the number of students knowing both the languages. If each student know at least one language, how many number of students are there in the school? अगर हर बच्चे को कम से कम एक लैंग्वेज तो आती ही है, तो कितने बच्चे स्कूल में? अगर हर बच्चे को एक लैंग्वेज आती है, then the number in A union B will be number of students who knows at least one language, and it is also number of students in the school. So number in A union B is number in A plus number in B minus number in A intersection B. So what is number in A? That is 100. Number in B, that is 50. Number in A intersection B is given as 25. So that is 100 plus 50 minus 25. Your total will be 150 minus 25, 125. There are total 125 students in the school who knows either Hindi or English. In a survey of 60 people, 25 people like newspaper H, 26 like newspaper T, and 26 like, so total there are 60. Let U be the universal set of total people. Set of all people. So what is the number of people in U? That is 60. Then let H be the set of people who like newspaper H. Number in H is 25. Similarly, T, you will have to write down this. T is set of people who like newspaper T. आप सेट assume नहीं कर सकते, आपको define करके बताना पड़ेगा इधर. So number in T is 26. Then I is set of people who like I newspaper, and people who like I is 26. Then there are people who like both. So people who like H and T both are 11. People who like T and I both are 8. And people who like H and I both are 9. And there are 3 people who like all the 3 newspaper. H, T, I. Okay, these are the people who are liking all the 3 newspapers. Now we have to find the number of people who read at least one newspaper. At least one, if I'm talking about. First, number of people who like at least one newspaper is nothing but denoted by H union T union I, and it is given as number in H plus number in T plus number in I minus number in H intersection T, number in H intersection I, number in I intersection T plus number in H intersection T intersection I. So we have all the numbers 25, 26, 26. So it will be 25, 26, 26, 11, 8, 9. Sorry, this will be minus because these are intersections. And this is plus. This will be 3. So it is 20, 20, 60, 40, 60, 60 plus 5, 65, 71, 77. So this is 77 minus 19 minus 9 will be 27. Sorry, 28 plus 3. So it is 77 minus 25. Your answer will be 52. So there are total 52 people who are liking at least one of the newspaper. Total of the next is people who like only one newspaper. That is, they like only H or only T or only I. तो सिर्फ H पसंद करने वाले कौन होंगे? Number of people who like only H. That means they don't like T. They don't like I. That is number of people who like H minus number in H intersection T minus number in H intersection I. अब इसमें क्या होता है, वो जो तीनों है ना, तीनों पसंद करने वाले जो 3 लोग हैं वो 2 बार कैंसिल हो गए इधर से. देखो, अगर ये है मेरा टोटल न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने वाले लोग, ये है H, ये है T और ये है I. 26 लोग हैं जिनको 25 है जिनको H पसंद है, 26 को T और 26 को I. ऐसे कौन है जिनको H और T दोनों पसंद है? ऐसे 11 लोग हैं और ये है 3. और ये T और I पसंद करने वाले 8 लोग हैं और ये है 9 लोग H और T पसंद I पसंद करने वाले. और ये 3 है तो ये 8 हो गया, ये 6 हो गया, ये 5 हो गया. You want only this. People who write like only this. तो मैंने उसमें से ये 8 और ये 6 माइनस कर दिया तो ये 3 2 बार माइनस हो गया, इसलिए मुझे उसको एक बार ऐड करना पड़ेगा. H इंटरसेक्शन T इंटरसेक्शन I. इस 8 में भी ये 3 माइनस हो गया ना, सॉरी ये पूरे 11 में ये 3 माइनस हो गया. मुझे सिर्फ 8 को माइनस करना है, 3 को माइनस करना है, 6 को माइनस करना है. तो इसमें भी 3 माइनस हो गया, इसमें भी, इसलिए मैंने एक बार उस 3 को ऐड कर दिया. तो दिस विल बी 25 minus 11 minus 9 plus 3. So it will be 25 minus 11 minus 9 plus 3. Your answer will be 8. See, 25 minus 8 will be 17 minus 3, 14 and 14 में से 6 चला जाए तो 8. तो ये सिर्फ 8 लोग हैं. So there are only 8 people who read only H. Then we'll find out the people who read only T, not H, not I. It is number in T minus number in H intersection T minus number in T intersection I plus number in H intersection T intersection I. तो T minus होगा 26 minus H intersection T 11, T intersection I 8, and I will add this 3. It is 26 minus 11 minus 8 plus 3. Your answer is 10. So there are 10 people who are reading only T. See, 26 minus 8 will be 18, 15. So this will only be 10. Then we'll find out number of people who like only I. So it is T, H. So how many people like to read only newspaper I? It is number in I minus number in T intersection I minus number in H intersection I plus number in H intersection T intersection I. So that is 26 minus 8 minus 9 plus 3. There are total 12 people. See, 26 minus 5, 21. 21 minus 3 will become 18. 18 minus 6 will become 12. Now we want people who are reading only one newspaper. So I will add all this. People reading only one newspaper. It is people who are reading only Hindi, only H, not T, not I, plus people who are reading only T, not H, not I, or people who are reading only I, not T, not H. So only H is 8 plus 10 plus 12. So this will become 30. This is your answer.